The same toy fight.
I am playing with this car. Give it later.
No, I want it now. It's my favorite toy too.
I took it first, so I will play first.
But you always take it first. It's not fair.
You didn't even want it 5 minutes ago.
Now I want it. Give it.
Stop pulling it. You'll break it.
Then give it to me and I won't pull it.
No, I am not done.
Then I won't leave you until you give me.
You're so annoying sometimes.
And you are so selfish.
I'm not selfish. I just want to play quietly.
Then let me play quietly too. Give me the car.
Go play with something else.
No, I want this one. Only this one.
I am going to hide it now.
If you hide it, I will tell Mom.
Go ahead. I don't care.
Fine, I'm not talking to you anymore.
Good. I don't want to talk to you either.
Then don't come near me.
You don't come near me first.
I hate you right now.
I hate you too.
Complaining to Mom.
Mom, she is troubling me again.
No, Mom, he is not giving my toy.
I was playing first. She snatched it from me.
I didn't snatch it. He hid it from me.
Because she kept shouting in my ears.
Because he never shares anything.
Mom, she always cries only to get what she wants.
Mom, he always thinks everything belongs to him.
She pulled the car so hard, it almost broke.
He pushed me first.
I didn't push you.
Yes, you did. You touched my hand.
That's not pushing.
For me, it is pushing.
Mom, look, she's shouting again.
Because he is making me angry.
You always blame me for everything.
You always make me cry intentionally.
I don't care if you cry.
Then I don't care about you either.
Fine, I don't need you.
Fine, I don't need you too.
Mom's reaction and teaching moment.
What is wrong with both of you? Why are you always fighting?
She doesn't share.
He never shares, Mom.
Listen to me. It is the same toy, not a war.
But she took it from me first.
No, he took it first and didn't give me.
You both are behaving like enemies. You are siblings.
Sometimes she acts like she hates me.
Because he doesn't care about me.
That's enough. Fighting doesn't solve anything.
Then what should we do?
Yes, how will we decide?
You can take turns. Sharon makes both of you happy.
But I want to play now.
But I want to play now too.
Life is not always me first. Sometimes you need patience.
It's hard, Mom.
Yes, it feels unfair.
You know what is unfair? Making each other cry.
I didn't want to make her cry.
I didn't want to fight too.
Then why are you both doing this again and again?
Because she doesn't listen.
Because he doesn't understand me.
Both of you are important. Both of you deserve to be happy.
But she thinks only about herself.
But he thinks only about himself.
Enough. Sit together for 2 minutes. No toy, no shouting.
2 minutes.
Sitting together?
Yes. Right now, sit here. Together.
Okay.
Okay.
The punishment. Sitting together in silence.
I'm not talking first.
I'm also not talking first.
Good, I don't want to talk.
Same, I don't even like talking to you right now.
Then why are you sitting so close to me?
Mom told us to sit. I didn't come for you.
Then stop breathing on my side.
You stop breathing on my side.
The whole sofa is my side.
No, half, even the air.
I'm getting sleepy.
Don't sleep. You'll fall on my shoulder.
Maybe I will.
Don't. Your head is heavy like a rock.
Your head is heavy like a coconut.
Then your head is a whole watermelon.
Okay, now I want to laugh.
Me too, but I'm holding it in.
Why did we fight so much?
Because you always want the toy first.
You always want it first too.
Maybe we both want everything first.
Maybe we both are a little bit selfish.
Little bit, but not bad selfish.
I don't hate you.
I don't hate you too.
Even when you shout.
Even when you act like a bossy grandpa.
Bossy grandpa.
Yes, but a cute grandpa.
Okay, that's better.
See, I complimented you.
Do you still want the toy?
Only if we can play together.
Together is good.
Yes, then no one gets angry.
Okay, let's take turns.
And let's not shout again.
Best friends?
Best friends forever, until you annoy me again.
Deal.
Deal.
The happy moment. Sharing and playing together.
You can play first if you want.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I'll wait and watch.
Thank you, but you can start first if you want.
How about we start together?
Okay, you push the car. I will cheer.
Ready, go.
Wow, so fast. Do it again.
Now it's your turn. Make it go super fast.
Ta-da! Look how smooth it goes.
You're really good at this.
And you're really good at pushing.
Let's make a racetrack with pillows.
Yes, and the sofa will be the garage.
I'll fix the car when it breaks.
And I'll be the driver.
See, this is more fun than fighting.
Yes, playing together is the best.
I'm happy you're here with me.
I'm happy too. I love playing with you.
Even though we fight sometimes, we're still a team.
Always a team.
Want to switch roles? You fix, I drive.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, mechanic mode.
Driver mode, vroom vroom.
You're so funny.
And you make everything fun.
You know, children don't stay little forever. One day these small fights become funny memories. One day the toys will be packed away, but the love between siblings, that stays. When I watched my two kids fight over the same toy, I felt tired. But when I watched them learn, grow, and finally laugh together, my heart became full again. This is how life teaches us. Not always through big lessons, but through small, everyday moments inside our own home. And dear viewers, if you are learning English with us, remember this. Small daily practice becomes big improvement. Just like my kids, you will grow, slowly but surely. Thank you for watching, my lovely beginner English Zone family. If you enjoyed this story and want more easy English lessons, don't forget to subscribe and continue learning with me. I'm looking at you with love and gratitude. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep growing every single day.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.